Every grain of sand on every beach on Earth. Now multiply that by 10. That is how many stars exist in the observable universe, but we were dead wrong about where they live. Because our cosmic map is missing 1.8 trillion galaxies. For decades, textbooks confidently told us there were about 200 billion galaxies. But recently, an international team of astrophysicists ran a 3D simulation that completely broke the cosmic scale. They discovered that 90% of the universe is hidden from our view. 2 trillion galaxies are out there, and we are just in one. But how can 1.8 trillion massive galactic empires just hide in plain sight? And what exactly is lurking inside them? To understand how impossible this sounds, let's look at what we thought we knew. In the 1990s, scientists pointed the Hubble Space Telescope at a tiny, pitch-black patch of sky for 10 straight days. The result? The Hubble Deep Field. It revealed 3,000 galaxies in a space the size of a pinhead held at arm's length. Extrapolating that math, we mapped a universe of 200 billion galaxies. It felt massive. It felt complete. This is where things get strange. Because what I am about to reveal next is exactly why so many people are joining the Deep Space Secrets community every single day. If you want to uncover the true, classified nature of our cosmos, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because what you are about to see changes everything about our place in the void. The unraveling of our universe started in 2016. A team led by Christopher Consolis at the University of Nottingham decided to convert Hubble's deepest images into 3D maps. They tracked the density of galaxies as they looked further back in time, billions of years into the past. As they charted the data, the math went completely off the rails. The early universe was incredibly crowded. There were 10 times more galaxies packed into the void back then compared to today. But wait, where did they all go? The leading explanation. Cosmic cannibalism. Imagine the early universe like a massive city intersection with no traffic lights. Over 13.8 billion years, those trillions of smaller, faint galaxies violently collided. They merged and consumed each other to form the massive, sprawling galaxies we see today, like our own Milky Way. Professor Consolis stated it is mind-boggling that over 90% of the galaxies in the universe have yet to be studied. The 200 billion galaxies we see today. They are just the survivors. But here is where it gets crazy. Just when you thought you understood the sheer scale of this, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, currently out past Pluto in the darkest regions of our solar system, measured the ambient background light of the universe. And it found less light than a 2 trillion galaxy universe should produce. Some scientists argue this means our math is wrong and the universe is empty. But others? They argue that interstellar dust is acting like a thick cosmic fog, blocking the light of a trillion ancient empires from ever reaching human eyes. This exact debate is dividing astrophysicists around the world right now. Are there 2 trillion galaxies hidden behind a veil of dark cosmic dust? Or is the universe actually emptier and darker than the 3D models suggest? I genuinely want to know what you think. Drop your theory in the comments below right now. Are we severely underestimating the size of the universe, or is humanity's math just flawed? Let me know, I will be reading through them. This isn't just about counting glowing dots in the sky. This affects how we see our place in the universe. If the 2 trillion number is right, it means there are roughly 20,000 billion stars. The statistical probability of us being the only intelligent life form in a universe that crowded drops to practically zero. Astrobiologists are now realizing that our hunt for alien life has barely scratched the surface of a single grain of sand. We are living in a ghost town universe, surrounded by the invisible remains of ancient galaxies. But we will not be in the dark for long. By the end of this decade, everything you just heard could change again. The James Webb Space Telescope is already peering through that cosmic dust, spotting impossible early galaxies that break our current understanding of physics. And soon, the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will launch, boasting a field of view 100 times greater than Hubble. It will map the universe at unprecedented speeds, peeling back the layers of this cosmic fog. Science is progressing at a breakneck pace. We are actively building the ultimate time machines to look back to the very dawn of creation. Step by step, the universe is surrendering its secrets. And you get to be here to witness it. But this isn't the only cosmic mystery rewriting our textbooks. In our next video, we will uncover the terrifying anomalies the James Webb Telescope just found at the actual edge of the universe. And later this week, we are exposing the Great Attractor, a gravitational anomaly pulling our entire galaxy toward it at 1.3 million miles per hour. You won't want to miss them. Thank you so much for exploring the unknown with me today. Remember, out of 2 trillion galaxies, you exist right here, right now, capable of looking up and wondering about it all. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next one.